Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Place the Breville on a flat surface, attach the water tank, and fill to the max line with filtered water because minerals change extraction. Insert a clean, dry portafilter and lock it in. Turn the machine on and select temperature if available. The unit needs about 10 minutes to reach steady heat. Once the ready indicator appears, run a short purge, shot into the drip tray to stabilize boiler temperature and clear factory residue before dosing coffee. Measure 18 to 20 grams for a double shot using a scale to ensure consistency. Distribute grounds level in the basket to avoid channeling. Tamp with about 30 pounds of pressure, then give a quick polish to smooth the surface. Wipe any stray grounds from the rim and lock the portafilter into the group head. Start the extraction immediately. Watch for a steady, honey-colored stream and stop around 25 to 30 seconds for balanced flavor. Adjust grind finer or coarser to tweak timing. Purge the steam wand for 1 or 2 seconds to remove condensation, then submerge the tip about 1/2 inch below the milk surface to create a whirlpool and stretch for microfoam. Raise slightly to heat. Aim for 60 to 65 degrees Celsius for optimal sweetness. Wipe and purge the wand after steaming to prevent buildup. Pour immediately over espresso. If crema is thin or extraction is fast, recheck grind and dose. If steam is weak, verify the water tank and pressure, and to scale if flow is restricted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.